So let's take one more example to use group by with the roll-up. So we'll see how we're going to do it. To show that, I'm just going to pick one more chart widget so that we can differentiate how everything going on. Simply click on this chart. Let me go to my query mode. Then from there, let me remove everything here. Okay. So once I load my data set, okay. So what I want to do, let's keep the same example to understand in easily. I want to filter the opportunities or filter my data set. So I wrote filter Q, nothing but my name stream which I want to filter. So what I want to do, I want to filter by close date. Again, I'm just copying the API name here. Okay, so let's consider I want to filter in year 2015 and 2016. So these 2 year data I want to analyze now. Okay, so now once I got it, so I want to uh, display or I want to generate simply from this name set. I want to generate stage and for each stage what is the sum of amount. Only these two things I want to display. So to do that, simply I'm taking here stage. Let me copy this API name. So this is my stage. I want to display stage as let's consider the same stage, and let's consider I want to aggregate my amount. So each stage have how much amount that we aggregate here, sum of amount. Simply I want to display as sum amount. Okay, and this data what I if you see this data now, let me limit this also. Q equal to limit my name stream to let's consider 2000. Let me run query. Okay, you can see now close lost coming this amount, close zone this amount, some data set you can see here. So before do that, let's consider I want to group by this in my stage. So what I do here, Q equal to let's consider group Q by what, by roll of. Okay, and here I want to say I want to roll up by stage, for example. Simply I can say here stage. Okay, now let me run this query. Okay, so now you can see I'm getting a prospecting, qualification, need analysis, everything we roll up and we saw. When I say this roll up, nothing but you can see I'm just going to get this value. Let's see. I don't have this roll up. I just remove this one. Simply I run this query. Now you see everything data is there, but for each opportunity I'm getting this close zone. Multiple opportunity have the close zone stage, so each have what amount I can see. But once I do this roll up, okay, group if I do only group by stage, what is going to happen? If I run the query, let me show you. It's grouped, but I do not see the total sum amount. I want to sum of this group by value. That time what I do, simply I use roll up. You can see once I do this roll up, in the end you can see there is a total sum of amount for all value what is there, everything roll up to this value. So that way you can do the roll up simply way. Let me click on done. Let's see how it looks like now. Okay, so if I maximize it, you can see like in the prospecting how much sum of amount we have, in qualification how much amount we have, everything you can see is simply here. Okay, let me maximize a little bit more. Yes, so now let's see I go again to this data set. So now whenever just think when I do this roll up, I do not have any value to this row. It's the sum of row. So can I write something like it's a amount of all stage which are part of this? Can I put some kind of value here? We can do that. So how to do that, I will show you the next session how I am going to do the total of group data. So some value I will display here, so that will see. So roll up nothing but We roll up the group by amount simply as you see here. Thank you. Stay tuned for next session.